This is a CW gear with the touch paddles. These are the touch paddles for DIT and DA. Power supply is going here. It can be of 6 volt 12 volt DC. This is a point where you can connect the external paddle gear. These are two parallel connectors where one is connected to the HF rig in the CW connector, straight key connector, and this you can optionally connect to the your CW straight key. And to the front is the speed control. This is the on off switch. It is on now, and you can switch it off. Power is there, but it is not sensing now. So this is a way you can send the CW. And it is making the speed in real time, changing the speed in real time. So maximum speed. And it is using a simple microcontroller AT-Tiny13. So this is Victor Uniform 3 Alpha Victor Echo signing out.